Amerika Serikat, negara adidaya memiliki pengaruh ekonomi cukup besar di dunia. 7 tahun setelah kejatuhan ekonomi, perlahan Amerika Serikat mulai bangkit. Dilihat pertumbuhan ekonomi, Amerika Serikat masih berada di posisi nomor 1, disusul Tiongkok dan Jepang, dengan nilai ekonomi hampir 18 kali lipat dibanding Indonesia. Bagi Indonesia, Amerika Serikat adalah salah satu mitra dagang terbesar. Dari data Badan Pusat Statistik, ekspor non-migas ke Amerika Serikat mencapai 1,36 miliar dolar Amerika. Di Asia Tenggara, Indonesia merupakan negara eksportir nomor 3 terbesar di Amerika Serikat setelah Filipina dan Thailand. Perdagangan juga jadi salah satu topik utama dalam debat pertama antara Donald Trump dan Hillary Clinton. Sejak awal, Trump menolak tegas kerjasama perdagangan Trans-Pasifik, sementara Hillary mendukung kerjasama ekonomi itu.
You want to approve Trans-Pacific Partnership. You were totally in favor of it. Then you heard what I was saying, how bad it is, and you said, I can't win that debate. But you know that if you did win, you would approve that, and that will be almost as bad as NAFTA. Nothing will ever top NAFTA.
The terms were laid out. I wrote about that in...
You called it the gold standard.
I hope...
You called it the gold standard of trade deals. You said it's the finest deal you've ever seen.
No.
And then you heard what I said about it, and all of a sudden you were against it.
Well, Donald, I know you live in your own reality, but that is not the facts. The facts are, I did say I hoped it would be a good deal, but when it was negotiated, which I was not responsible for, I concluded it wasn't. I wrote about that.
So is it President Obama's fault? Is it President Obama's fault?
Even announced. Look, there are
Secretary, is it President Obama's fault?
There are
because he's pushing it.
There are different views about what's good for our country, our economy, and our leadership in the world.
Perjanjian Trans-Pacific Partnership sudah dimulai sejak tahun 2005 lalu. Awalnya ada 4 negara yang memulai, Selandia Baru, Brunei Darussalam, Chile, dan Singapura. Amerika Serikat lalu bergabung di tahun 2008, tapi muncul paling depan dalam mempromosikan TPP. Sementara Indonesia, meski tidak ikut dari awal membahas draft TPP, secara mengejutkan Presiden Jokowi menyatakan ingin bergabung.
Perlu kehati-hatian dalam mengkalkulasi ini. Perlu berhitung untung dan rugi untuk kepentingan nasional kita. Semuanya harus dikalkulasi. Ini masih dalam proses.